Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm excited to share that we are at the Waterfront Beach Resort here in Huntington Beach. This is a Hilton property, and I'm so excited to share it with you. This is one of probably the best Hilton properties we've been at. The location is amazing. We're going to take you in and show you around this property because it's amazing. We're going to head up to our room, which is on the 12th floor, and give you a peek at that first. This is room 1220. And it is an ocean view room, and you're not gonna believe this. It is just so, so good. So let me show you around here. First of all, super clean, super spacious, but just the decor and the vibe of this property is so good. It has all of the relaxing feels that you want when you stay at a beach location, at least for me. It just feels like so good. The decor, the layout, great for families. They kind of have everything that you need, definitely on the property, but right here in the room as well. You've got your little mini fridge, coffee station, whatnot. Lots and lots of room. Got some robes, extra pillows and blankets, all of the things that you need there. The bathroom is beautiful. Love the lighting in here and just the way everything is laid out. Super roomy. They also have Crabtree and Evelyn products, which I love. Just has a super, super high class feel to it. Again, very clean. Just the entire property actually is super, super just kept up. Love the shower. They've got a pull-out clothesline for all of your beach clothes to hang dry. Super cute little wiped out do not disturb sign on the door there. And just look at this room. It's just so well done. Just makes me feel so relaxed coming back to it. Just that alone is amazing. Huge flat screen TV, nice desk work area, comfy chairs. But the real winner of this room, and you know I am all about the view. Holy cow, this balcony is so good. The view, just the air, nice little breeze. You can see right down there to the beach. And then over to the pier, which I'll give you another look at in just a minute, but just such a neat location. Super huge pool area. We've got ping pong and chess, all kinds of things. There's another pool area we'll show you in a bit. Just look at this location, so cool. And of course, nothing beats being by the beach, and that's just a short walk away. And again, we will take you down there to look at that, but the view is incredible. This is a full ocean view room, and there are partial views available as well. I just always go for the view if you can. Definitely worth it. So good. And again, we are at Huntington Beach. So much to do in this area, so we're going to take you down and show you around that area as well. But first, I want to show you more of this hotel property because it is incredible. This is probably not only one of the nicest Hilton properties I've been in, but one of the largest. It is so big, and there's so much to see and do here. And I have stayed, as you know, Hilton Diamond member, Hilton Ambassador, Hilton Mon Voyage writer. We've stayed all over the world in Hiltons, and this is really one of the most impressive. So I want to show you everything that is here because I really do feel like this is a great destination property for families. Just so much to offer and do in this area. Also really relaxing. They just kind of have everything you need here, which is so nice when you come to a property so much close to the property and right within the hotel itself. So not to mention the area is absolutely beautiful. So this is one of the pool areas, as you can see, and we looked at that from the balcony earlier. Really nice big pool area. Lots of restaurants and things to do on this property. So we're just going to kind of walk around and take a look at all of it. There is a coffee shop down this way, right on property, which I really appreciated because I like to get my coffee in the morning. But restaurants, like I mentioned, honestly, this is such a huge hotel property. You could probably wander for hours. I mean, there's just stuff in every direction. Great location for business meetings, conferences, and whatnot. But just, again, so much to see and do here. And these little beautiful touches, like it is so well done, I'm telling you. So we're going to wander this way and kind of show you just how extensive this property is. It just goes on and on in all directions. Lots of little areas for families, kids, game rooms, whatnot. You're just not going to get bored here or want for food or entertainment. There's just lots to do. Lots of sitting areas. This is a really nice business area. As you can see, they just have so much space for meetups, families, whatnot, sitting areas all over the place, restaurants, dining options. This is a really cool little outdoor sitting area with fire pits. And then the Cabo Wabo Beach Club, I believe, is new. We heard a lot of buzz about this, and it's really cool as well. There's another pool area over here. Just super impressive. And the decor, it's just so well done. The entire vibe of this, I just feel like, makes you feel like you're getting a relaxing vacation, which is really the reason you go to the beach, right? So it kind of just brings it all together when you stay somewhere that not only feels relaxing, but is relaxing. The whole vibe is relaxing. It just feels like a really high-end luxury hotel property, which it is. This is definitely one that is worth saving for the stay because you get kind of a little bit of everything here. And again, I think it's a great property for families. I'm going to walk you out to this other pool area and show you just how much this has to offer. There's a really cute little water feature slide type area for the kids. Anyway, so good. Okay, so next I want to take you down to the pier area, and that is where we are now. This is literally a quick walk, maybe 2 blocks from the hotel property. You can walk via the beach, or you can go through a shopping area, which I'll show you in a minute. But this pier area is so neat. There's a couple little shops, kind of really unique, and you're definitely going to want to check this out. It's just kind of fun. You'll see fishermen, and then you can watch the surfers from the pier. Just lots of fun activity going on in this area. And of course, you could go to the beach as well. It's all right here, and it's just such a fun place to just kind of hang out and take it all in. And of course, you're at the beach. So that alone is always a good place to be. So super close again. You'll want to hang out there. And then I really wanted to show you this open market OC area, which is a huge shopping center that is right by the hotel, and it has all kinds of eateries and boutiques and brand name shopping. Really, really cool area. We were super impressed with this and love how close it is to the hotel. Just made it really nice to kind of have an additional option for entertainment and things to do while you're staying at the property. But it's really well done. Some of your favorite stores there, and lots of souvenirs and different things to try and see, food and whatnot. Just really cool. Probably one of our favorite parts about staying at this Hilton property was coming down here and being able to walk around and check it all out. So we are back at our room on the 12th floor, and I want to give you a peek at what this all looks like at night. That's all part of the experience, sitting on the balcony and taking it all in. We loved this Hilton property. I think you will too. I will leave all the details down below in my description, and please, if you have any questions, let me know. But it's pretty safe to say the Hilton Waterfront Beach Resort gets 2 thumbs up from us. Great way to check out Huntington Beach. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.